The liver plays a crucial role in our overall health, functioning as the body's primary detoxification organ. It processes nutrients, filters toxins, and produces essential substances like bile for digestion. However, due to factors such as poor diet, environmental toxins, and lifestyle choices, our liver can become overworked and sluggish. Incorporating natural remedies, like raisin water, can support liver health and promote detoxification. In this article, we will explore the benefits of raisin water and how it can help cleanse and detox the liver. What is raisin water? Raisin water is a simple infusion made by soaking raisins in water. Raisins, which are dried grapes, are rich in nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. When soaked in water, they release these beneficial compounds, creating a nutrient-dense drink that can be consumed on its own or added to smoothies and other beverages. Nutritional benefits of raisins. Before delving into the benefits of raisin water for liver health, it's essential to understand the nutritional profile of raisins. Antioxidants. Raisins are packed with antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamins B and K, iron, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all of which are vital for overall health. Natural sugars and fiber. Raisins contain natural sugars that provide energy and dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. How raisin water supports liver health. Rich in antioxidants. The antioxidants found in raisins help fight free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress that can lead to liver damage. By neutralizing these harmful compounds, raisin water may help protect the liver from inflammation and promote overall liver function. Promotes detoxification. Raisin water is believed to enhance the liver's detoxification processes. The nutrients in raisins stimulate the production of bile, a substance that aids digestion and helps eliminate toxins from the body. This detoxifying effect can help cleanse the liver and improve its efficiency in processing waste. Supports digestion. The dietary fiber in raisins can enhance digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. A healthy digestive system is crucial for effective detoxification since it helps eliminate waste products that could otherwise burden the liver. Natural energy booster. Raisins contain natural sugars that provide a quick energy boost without causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Consuming raisin water can help maintain energy levels throughout the day, supporting overall vitality and well-being. Hydration. Soaking raisins in water helps to keep the body hydrated, which is essential for optimal liver function. Proper hydration supports the liver's ability to flush out toxins and maintain metabolic processes. How to prepare raisin water. Making raisin water is easy and requires minimal ingredients. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of organic raisins, preferably black or green, 2 cups of filtered water. Instructions: rinse the raisins thoroughly under running water to remove any impurities. Place the rinsed raisins in a bowl and add the filtered water. Allow the raisins to soak overnight or for at least 8 hours at room temperature. In the morning, strain the raisins from the water. The infused water is ready to drink. Consumption: drink the raisin water on an empty stomach in the morning to maximize its benefits. You can also eat the soaked raisins as a nutritious snack or add them to your breakfast, like oatmeal or yogurt. Additional tips for liver health. While raisin water can be a beneficial addition to your diet, it's essential to adopt a holistic approach to liver health. Here are some additional tips for maintaining a healthy liver. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support liver detoxification and overall health. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats can help protect and support liver function. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can lead to liver damage and disease. Moderation is key. Avoid processed foods, minimize the consumption of processed foods high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives that can burden the liver. Exercise regularly, engage in regular physical activity to maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of liver disease. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact liver health. Incorporate stress-reducing practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your routine. Get regular checkups. Regular health checkups can help monitor liver function and catch any potential issues early. Conclusion: Raisin water is a simple yet effective natural remedy that can support liver health and promote detoxification. Packed with antioxidants, essential nutrients, and hydration, it offers numerous benefits for seniors and anyone looking to enhance their overall well-being. However, it should be noted that while raisin water can be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle, it is not a cure-all. Focusing on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy habits will yield the best results for maintaining liver health. Before making significant changes to your diet or incorporating new remedies, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or concerns. By taking proactive steps to care for your liver, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life.